What the hell was it? Yo, that's not me, that's him.
You are scared. You're tired. You are injured. Do you flee Vecna and his cultists? Or do you stand your ground and fight? Come on. Sinclair, you're in. Huh? You're in. It's on the go. I say we fight. To the death. To the death.
To the death. To the death. To the death.
Has it ever occurred to you that we don't want to be popular?
So you want to be stuck with the nerds and freaks for 3 more years?
We are nerds and freaks.
Yeah, but maybe we don't have to be. Look, I'm tired of being bullied.
Okay, she does sound like a mother. God, totally sounds like her. I was thinking it's probably Miss Megan. I used to think that she sounded good because I had this massive crush. I'm sorry. We took a massively hard class together. We were.
You're just... It's like you're not even here anymore. It's like you're a ghost or something.
The ghost? Really?
Max, I know something's wrong.
Yeah, right. Yeah, something must be wrong with me because I broke up with you.
No, that's not what I meant.
Lucas, look. People just change, okay? That's it. I've changed. It's that simple. Good luck.